Savannah, and today we're at the Grand Floridian, and I'm going to give you a room tour. Let's go on inside. Here we go. Okay, come on in. So first, let's start with a closet. This closet has a safe, a hair dryer, and robes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You turn around. This is the bathroom. This is where we brush your teeth and all kinds of stuff. There's 2 sinks. We have everything we need. Oh, we have sunscreen. Okay. There's a toilet and a shower. That's pretty much a bathroom. Toilet, shower, sink. Normal bathroom. Then you go in here. This is like the main area. There are, we're gonna go over here. Okay. There's a chair for reading a book, I guess. Read a book here. Okay, and then, oh, I love when they do like towel things where they like make a thing out of the towel. They made a Mickey Mouse this time. I thought it was really cute. I love when they like make things. They have Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. They did a Goofy or Duck one time for Donald. Yeah. Okay, I think these are 2 queen size beds. I think they are. These are queen size beds. You got a dresser in the middle with a phone. Over here, I got a Samsung TV. And it's beautiful. You could actually watch TV on it. This is the Disney's Animal Kingdom stuff. We have a couch, a red couch that pulls up to a bed, a single bed. For if you have like 5 people, you just need more space. For more space. Over here, because we were invited to Disney's Very Merry Christmas, they gave us this little platter. I thought it was super cute. Look how awesome it is they got a little Christmas tree. I think that's like ornaments made out of, whatchamacallits, little chocolates. I don't know. You got a little desk over here. This is for your parents out there, or some kids actually drink coffee. I don't, but this is a coffee machine. It's got a Keurig, got different types of coffee, phone that's mine. Oh, and then you have this beautifully wonderful view. If I can know how to get outside. There we go, I got it. So it's really beautiful. It might be a little loud, but it's really pretty. You have a view of the lake. There's a monorail in the background. It's so pretty. I'll just sit out here sometimes just looking at the water. It's really, really beautiful. Is there anything else? Did I forget anything? Let's go back inside though so you can hear me. So that was my tour of the Grand Floridian Resort in Disney. So that's it, guys. That was our tour. Now we're gonna go to the parks now. We're gonna go to Magic Kingdom. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like Disney. I mean, who doesn't like Disney? It's so much fun. It's a magical place. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.